Alright, I'm getting ready to take these books to the basement. You would have seen these in a book haul that I did for the April Veda. All of these were featured. Like, I had these on my desk and then I put these away, and now I'm taking them to the basement because I'm not gonna read these anytime soon, and I want to organize my books like I said in my recent video, that I want to organize, put all my books in one tub, put my DVDs in another tub, then put like maybe my trophies like from high school or whatever in another, and maybe CDs in another. I just really want to organize down there, and I figured might as well film it. This is just miscellaneous makeup that I'm getting ready to like toss out. Like, it pains me to do it, but I'm not using it. Yeah, or maybe I'll give it away like I said. But yeah, let's get right into this video of organizing. Okay, I'm in the basement now. You should have seen this stuff before in my last video, which I showed you guys my DVDs. So this is a combination of DVDs and books, and this has just all kinds of nonsense in here. In here is like a mug that my friend gave to me when she went to Disney. So I have like miscellaneous items here, Mickey ears from my graduation from the college program, a portrait someone drew of me, just like random stuff. So the goal is to get books in one tub and DVDs in the other, and then I'll figure out what to do with the other miscellaneous stuff, which is my trophies and like my CDs and stuff. So I'm gonna get right to it. I'll see how I can set up my camera so that you guys can see what I'm doing. But first, we must get coffee first because it's 10 o'clock in the morning and I just want to get this out of the way. I have work tomorrow and I typically don't have the energy to tackle these kinds of things on the days that I work, after work. So I want to do it on my day off. So yeah, let's get right into it then. I don't know what happened to the rating. Okay, that was quick and painless. These are all my books, except I think I'm missing one. I think I am missing the one by Colleen Hoover, Verity. I don't know where that went, but there's a method to the madness. Well, there's no madness here. It's very organized. So these are all the books that I haven't read yet on this side, and these are all the books I've read, which blows my mind that I've read that many books. That's crazy. So yeah, if you haven't watched my most recent video, my book haul from like, I think it's 2 days ago at this point, I talk about a lot of these books that I've read and like other books that I brought from Florida that are still to be read. And then in another book haul that I made back in April, as I said at the beginning of this video, I feel like I'm repeating myself, I talked about these other ones. A lot of these books here that I intend on reading that were in my room, but they were taking up space on my desk, so now they're moved down here. I don't want to see them until I'm ready to read them. Yeah, so now let's do DVDs and then we'll do miscellaneous. I think I will figure out what's in that box and maybe put like my miscellaneous things, because all these things were in here, and yeah, so I'll figure out what to do with that. That looks a hot mess right now, but yeah, let me do the DVDs. I'll show you that, and then yeah, then I'll show you the trophy ones. Got all the DVDs here. And then my CDs and some miscellaneous, like there's a VHS of something, I don't know. This might be from college. So yeah, we'll just put them together for right now. And now I get to miscellaneous things and just random stuff I need to get rid of.
One eternity later.
Okay, so I have other miscellaneous things like some trophies from high school. I think this was for French. I think it says it right there. This was for top 5 or something? Yeah, top 10 seniors. This was for volleyball. 2004, number 19 was my number. I think it was like for most improved player or something like that. I don't know. Then I have roller things for painting in case I decide to paint. And just like a bunch of miscellaneous things, some tape. I have documents underneath there that I can reference. So yeah, that's what I got. So I got 3 tubs done. This one, the DVDs, and like the books. I think that's enough for today. And I'm gonna toss out some stuff. This hydrogen peroxide. Look, the bottle is like swollen. And it expired in 2022. So unfortunately I have to give that away. I think I'm gonna wrap up this video now, and I think I have more than enough footage for a video. I'll probably have a part 2 where I'll organize everything else, but for right now I just wanted to tackle the DVDs, books, and miscellaneous things so I can create more space, like get rid of boxes and stuff like that. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Found my Verity book. Remember I was saying in the basement that I don't know where I put it? I found it, as well as the Artist of Life planner or workbook thing. If you watched my video from yesterday, I was saying that I don't know where I put it, but I found it. It was in the same drawer as this one, and that's the old one. Again, if you watched the video from yesterday, it'll make sense.